district of Quezon City. But just to name some of the movies that she made with Regal, ay May Minamahal and Where Love Was Gone. So let's give a big round of applause for Ms. Aiko Mendez.
Good evening, everyone. Nakakalungkot na nakikita yung mga kakaibigan, magkakapamilya, kung hindi sa isang birthday, sa isang patay. I was only 6 years old when I first met Mother here in Valencia. And sabi sa akin ni Mother, gusto mo bang mag-artista? Sabi ko kay Mother, mayaman ka po ba? So sabi niya ganun sa akin, aba, itong batang to, sisikat to. Tapos, after nun, they gave me a break through Where Love Was Gone, where I played their young Snooki Serna. And then, after that, I was relaunched again via Underage Girls alongside with Rufa and Carmina. And then, doon sa aming tatlo, I was the first one na binigyan niya ng break and gave me a solo via Too Young. And funny thing about my movie Too Young, nung first day ng showing ng pelikula namin, flop. But si Mother hugged me and said, babawi tayo anak. Sisikat ka. Pag sinabi kong sisikat ka, sisikat ka. After 3 months, she gave me another break via My Pretty Baby, where after that movie, sunod-sunod na. And Mother Lily believed in me. Kasi sabi nga niya, sisikat ka, Aiko. And then again, sa mga kabatch ko, akong kauna-unahan niyang binigyan ng isang, pinaalala ni Direk Manny Valera kanina, ang Regal Drama R presents Aiko. Again, sumugal na naman si Mother Lily sa akin. And that show lasted for 13 years. That was one of the longest drama TV aired ever in Channel 13. So, Mother, thank you so much for everything, for believing in me when no one did. I will miss you, Mother. And, Ma'am Lucelle, naalala mo yung mano po? Ni-request niya na ang pangalan ko, Lily. Lily Chua. Si Mother Lily requested that again kay Ma'am Lucelle. Sabi niya, Lucelle, gusto ko pangalan Aiko, Lily. Kasi paborito ko yan si Aiko. So, Mother, hanggang sa huli, naniniwala ka pa rin sa akin. Kaya, I know you're happy wherever you are now. By the way, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, dalawa po kami Regal baby sa pamilya ko. Dahil naniwala din po siya sa Papa Jimmy ko. Kaya Mother Lily, I love you. I know you're with my Papa Jimmy now. Please send him my regards and you will be missed forever. And your legacy will live on in our hearts forever. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Ms. Aiko.